Hi, today I'm going to make this beautiful rosebud, perfect for Valentine's and very easy to make. Materials required are crepe paper in red and green, a thick wire, a small thin wire. This is a thermocol, teardrop shape. If you don't have this, I've actually taken a ball of thermocol and then shaved it off in a shape like this. And this is green floral tape. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the three sizes of petals. The first one is 2.5 by 4 centimeters. The second one is 3 by 5 centimeters. And the third is 3.5 by 5.5 centimeters. Cut 5 pieces of the first one, cut 8 pieces of the second one, and cut 8 pieces of the third one. Then this is for the sepal. This is 3.5 by 4 centimeters. So just cut one piece per flower. And this is for the leaf. This is 2.75 by 4 centimeters. Cut 3 pieces. So first you take the smallest petals and just stretch the edge on top like this, and you take the cone. So just apply glue on the petal. On the first one, just apply well on all sides. And just stick it like so, covering the top. Then I'll just stick one by one the others. So second one also I'm going to just stick so that it almost covers the top, like it's on the same line. Now in these, just apply glue on the sides and the base. Just cover at the same height as the cone. Like so. Now you take the medium sized petals. First just curl them. Then just stretch the top part and stretch the lower part like this, giving it a cupping effect. So it will look like this. On this also just apply glue on the sides and base. So it will, become a little loose like this as you apply the separate petals. They'll all come in this manner. So I'll just stick all of them in the same way. So this is how it's going to look. Now I've got these bigger petals. I've stretched them in the same manner as I did for the medium ones. So I'll just stick these also around the flower. In the same way. So this way I'm going to stick all of them. So this is how it's going to look. Now just curl out the petals a bit. And this is how the rose would look. Now just take the thick wire. So I'll just apply some glue on it. And insert it in the center of the cone. Like so. Now you take the sepal piece, just give it a little curl. And as you stretch it, and then just wind it on the wire. If you wish, you can apply glue on this, since these seem to be opening up quite a bit. So I'll just apply some glue. And stick it. Like so. For the leaf, first take a thin wire. Take the green floral tape and wind it on this wire. Now take the leaf and just score lightly on it. Then take this serrated edged scissors and just cut very lightly on the edge. Apply glue. And stick this wire on this. Now take some more green tape. So this has a slightly longer wire, and these two are made, they have shorter wires. So just place one slightly lower than the first one. And put the other one also. Now just open them. So you have a leaf like this. Now I'll take a long piece of the floral tape. Stretch it. And start winding from the base of the rose. And then attach the leaf. Just bend the leaf a bit. And this is how the rose would look.